And in the words of Lanithia Leaks, they're done. They're done. Period.
Under lights in a room full of people who don't recognize us, I reach out for you and call out your name. Oh, I know I should tell you, but you seem so happy.
What's up, guys? It's Dewan, aka Curly Guy here, and I am back with another video. And as you can see, you guys, I'm sure you guys clicked on this quick, fast, and in a hurry because of the title of this video. However, I did not actually get surgical veneers. Like, I didn't actually have surgery to get these done. However, I do have something that I want to share with you guys. And for me, these things, I've seen these on the internet and I just, had to see about them. So I did reach out to the company, and I will explain to you guys later in the video why I decided to do this, why I decided to have these done. And yes, my hair is straight if you guys are checking for that. But I will explain later in the video why I decided to get these done. So what I actually am talking about in this video is Instasmile. So what these are like instant veneers, basically. So you guys know veneers can be thousands of dollars, which who has that just laying around? I don't. However, Instasmile, let me just say, these people were so easy to work with, and I do have a coupon code. My coupon code is Curly Guy. Let me go ahead and put that right here on the screen. If you use my coupon code, you can get, I believe it's 20 or 15% off. It's one of those. I will let you know down below in the description though, if you decide to order these. And boy, would I recommend you order these, especially if you're someone in my situation. So you guys know that I am about to get braces on my teeth, which I am uber excited about, and I cannot wait. However, there are a few things I have to do before I get braces. So basically, I have what they call a supernumerary tooth, and I'm actually going to change the lens so I can zoom in so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Also, it'll be easier for me to show off the teeth, so hold on just a second. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and change the lens so you can get a better idea of what I was talking about. So what I mean is I have a supernumerary tooth, or supernumerary tooth is what they like to call it. So as you can see, this tooth right here is an extra tooth. Okay, so normally in a normal set of teeth, you have your two incisors, which is your big teeth, and then you have another tooth there, and then your canine. Okay, which is normal here. But on this side, I have my incisor, the next tooth, another tooth, and then my canine. And I know that sounds kind of confusing, but basically I have an extra tooth on this side. I have two teeth over here in between my canine and the incisor. And over here I just have one tooth between my canine and the incisor, which is how it should be. So because of that, my midline is shifted. As you can see, my bottom teeth are pretty much perfect. I don't have any problem with them. But on the top, my midline is shifted. So as you can see, my teeth do tend to slant over a little bit. And that's because this tooth is occupying space. So I'm saying all that to tell you guys, the reason I had Instasmile done is because I'm going to have this tooth here removed, and there is a period of probably a week or two that I'm going to have to wait for my gums to heal up before I can actually get my braces on. However, I am in clinicals now pretty much. And I can't go to clinicals like missing one of my front teeth. Like, I just can't. Like, I mean, I know I'm getting braces and it's none of anybody's business, but I'm not about that life. I'm not that kind of hoe, okay? So I can't do it. So I ordered Instasmile, and the company, like I said, they were really easy to work with. And it comes in that box that I showed you guys, and inside the Instasmile come in this little case, and this case has a mirror in it, like this, so you can like just look at it while you're putting them in or whatever. I'm usually in front of a mirror, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what they look like in. Now, I ordered the whole set just because the company allowed me to go ahead and get the whole set. And this video is not sponsored, by the way. This is not sponsored. They did gift these to me, but they are not paying me to say any of this. So, in my opinion, I don't need the bottoms, even though the bottoms look exactly like my real teeth. I'll go ahead and show you. as you can see, they snapped in and they look exactly like my real teeth. It's like the same color and everything, which was another thing on the website. You'll be able to match your color. You'll be able to do everything that you need to make sure that these look as close to your teeth. And the process is kind of like any other process where you're like getting whitening trays or anything like that. They send you a mold, you mold your teeth in it. You know, you mix the putties together, put them in a tray, mold your teeth, send it back to them, and then they make your smile basically. But I'm gonna take these out. Now these things are really durable, you guys. They actually pop in and they are not coming out of my mouth. Like, they literally snap in, as I'm sure you guys heard them snap in. But what I'm most excited about is these top ones, you guys. Okay, so because of the way my teeth are, they actually ended up having to make these modified. They had to make one of the front teeth bigger, which is this one right here, I believe, or actually this one. Anyway, they had to make one of the front teeth bigger in order to make my smile seem more seamless, and to also make the tooth next to it look like a canine instead of an extra tooth. It made the extra tooth look like my regular tooth, and then the next tooth beside that looked like a canine. So I really do love that they did that, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop them in. So as you can see, I just line them up, and I don't know how well the camera picked that up, but they did actually pop in. Now, let me just go ahead and say, with these, my midline is still shifted, of course, but the good thing about these is you can see that my tooth actually looks, the set of my teeth actually look normal. So it looks like I have two incisors, the next tooth, and then canines. So that's what I really like about it. It actually made the extra tooth look like the tooth that's supposed to be there, and then it made the next tooth look like a canine. Now, these teeth, for me, I think they look great. Like, I mean, obviously I'm not going to be wearing these once I get my braces, of course. I mean, I can't. And yeah, but I think they look amazing for what they are. And these are not super expensive either, you guys. Let me just tell you. Guys, so on the website, I see that you can get these, you could get the top for $375. You can get the bottom for $375, or you could get both of them for $500. So that's really good. Or you could do a plan. They have several different plans where you could pay $9.62 a week for these if you decide to get both, and so on and so forth. So it really just depends on what you want to do. But these are very affordable. Definitely more affordable than actually having cosmetic work done at a dentist or at an orthodontist. These are definitely an alternative, especially if you're maybe a college student. I don't know, I am a college student, but especially if you're a college student and you have a lot of other stuff to pay for, a lot of other financial obligations, $10 a week is nothing to pay for these. Now, I'm not going to wear these permanently, obviously, because I am getting braces, but let me just give you guys a little insight also. So, I can't even tell with them in. So on this side of my mouth, I'm actually missing this tooth, but it's actually a placeholder on there, so it actually makes it look like I have all of my teeth on the top. And I think that's amazing. These are good for replacing teeth and anything. As I said, once I get ready to get that tooth pulled, there's going to be nothing there. So wearing these will actually make it look like I have a tooth there, even though there's nothing there while it's healing. And I think that is amazing, because for the price of this, even though I didn't pay for it, but I would be willing to pay the price of this for just a top row, just to have that there, because I am very big on aesthetics, and when I look at somebody, the first thing I look at is their teeth. So it makes sense to me. Now, a lot of people that I see reviews of, they said that they talk with a lisp. I do have, I guess, a little bit of a lisp, but it's not that bad, especially if you only wear the top pair. It is more of a lisp if I put them both in. I'll show you. But after you're used to having them for a while, honestly, you don't even really experience the lisp. But I don't need the bottom one, so I just pop those right out. But as you can see, the color of these are perfect. They match my bottom teeth so well. It's so unclockable. And I'm definitely going to be wearing these at clinical because I don't have the time for that tooth to be missing. But I absolutely love the way these look, you guys. And even though my teeth aren't, my midline isn't where it needs to be, this gives me an idea of what my teeth will actually look like when they're straight. So I absolutely love that. Oh, and another thing to mention is that you can actually eat with these in. I don't eat with them in, but you can eat with them in because let me show you just on here. As you can see, the teeth at the back have these holes in it, and those holes allow you to chew. So you're not biting down on the actual veneer. So you are actually able to chew with these in. I wouldn't recommend you eat anything really hot or anything really, really hard. That takes a lot of effort, but you can eat stuff with these in. I've actually bitten into an apple with these in, so that's pretty funny. But you can do stuff with these. I wouldn't recommend, especially if you want these for the long run, I would not recommend that you try to eat an apple with them, but you can eat with them in and they're not going to fall out. And because they're snap-on veneers, they literally lock into place. Like, this is one thing you don't have to be worried about walking around and then your teeth just fall out on the floor. These are not going to fall out. Like, they're in my mouth. Like, they're not. Oh, and they're done. You guys remember that episode of Housewives of Atlanta when Sheree was trying to comfort Nene, and she was like, that's why you need to get your teeth done, because you look like you got horse teeth in. And Nene was like, they're done. They're done.
You need to get your motherfucking teeth fixed. How about that?
They're done. They're done.
They're done. New for you. Remember, I knew you when you had the rotten teeth. I knew you when you had
Veneers, honey. $50,000 smile.
That's how I'm feeling right now. Even though they're still shifted, I'm like, baby, they're done. So yeah, now that I have zoomed out, these are much less clockable. Like, I could have possibly been wearing these in videos in the past and you guys didn't even notice. Now maybe I have, maybe I haven't, who knows. But they're so unclockable from further away and I absolutely love them. I'm so excited. I'm actually excited to go ahead and get that tooth pulled just to see how it's going to be, because I know my gum is going to swell up a little bit. But I'll find out actually next weekend when I'll be getting that tooth extracted. So I'm really excited. I'm trying to wear this top one. I'm trying to wear it on semi-regular basis so I can get an idea of how it's going to feel wearing, and I'm also trying to get used to them so when I'm at the hospital talking to patients, I'll be able to, you know, enunciate without sounding like there's something in my mouth or talking with a really strong lisp. So I will be doing that. But yeah, this is just my veneers, you guys. I know you guys seen that thumbnail and was probably shook to the core. But yeah, these are my teeth for the next month or so. And yeah, I enjoyed them. So definitely don't forget to check out Instasmile. I will link them down below. And definitely use my code or their code. Sometimes they have a code on their website, so that's even better. You'll probably save more using their code than mine. But I will have a code as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. You guys, literally, I cannot wait to get my braces on and get them off, because with these things, even though these aren't my real teeth, I just have enjoyed smiling so much more. Like, I cannot stop smiling. I literally smile all the time. Every time I put these in, I just start smiling. So all I'm saying, now the one thing that I will say about them is that they're not, obviously it's one piece, so they're not separated. So if you're someone who's used to like sucking through your teeth, nothing's going to come between them, and that actually works good. Just remember to brush your teeth really well when you take them off, but that actually works good because pieces of food isn't getting trapped in between my teeth and of course causing cavities or whatever. So yeah, but I feel like I beat this dead horse enough. I just wanted to make this video because I thought it was funny. I thought it was a cute idea. If you made it this far in this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you have not. And yeah, guys, I don't know what else to say. This is my Instasmile, and if you're having problems with your teeth or you're just not happy with them, definitely go check out Instasmile to get your Instasmile. And yeah, as always, remember guys, if you can't keep it curly, which I'm not right now, obviously, keep it classy. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.